This is definitely fruity. This is definitely fruity. This is definitely fruity.
Well, here's the Sleep Shop's answer. Well, here's the Sleep Shop's answer.
This is definitely fruity. This is definitely fruity. This is definitely fruity.
When they say like, you know, hi gay.
This is definitely fruity. This is definitely fruity.
Hello. Hello. Hi, friends. Welcome in. You didn't see it because I was on my starting student screen. I'm glad I have a starting student screen because I went to turn my lights on and they weren't working at all. They simply weren't connected and they weren't working. And so I went, hello? Hello? Is that allowed? I don't think so. I hate it here. I fixed it though. Right before we started streaming. It all worked out perfectly. C'est la vie. Que sera sera. Also, all that ends well. Welcome in. It's good to see you all. Lumi, thank you for being the first one, and I adore you and I appreciate you. big smooch for that host. CJ, hello, smooches for you. Coco, smooches for you. Niall, hello, welcome in. CJ, hello, welcome in. Yami, hello. Collie Ram, hello, hello, hello. Yami, maybe I'll do skull cover today. Only one
This
way to
is
find out.
definitely
Stay
fruity.
tuned. See what happens on Chaos Stream today. Dressor, hello, hello, hello. Mr. Grokenheim, hello. Lauren Mini, hello. Big smooch for you. Thank you for those. Thank you everyone who's hosting. I appreciate it so very much. I appreciate it a lot, and
definitely
it's very
fruity.
very helpful. And it's free and easy to do, and thank you for doing it. Thank you for doing it. Yami, big smooch to you. Godric, big smooch. Hi, gay. Hello, welcome in. Maya, hello, hello, hello. Maya, smoochies for you. Megski, smoochies for you, and hello, welcome in. Just need to share my quick accomplishment. Oh my god, yes! 200 days sober today. Oh my god, big exclamation point hypes in chat. Hype in chat for our pal. That is such a huge accomplishment. Red Lionheart, I adore you, and I'm
This is
so very
definitely
proud of you.
fruity.
That is amazing. That is amazing. Keep at it, my friend. Keep at it. Just saw my tweet. How's my... Haven't had any... Wait, no. I was gonna say I haven't had any complaints, but it's pretty dinosaur. Get it? If you've seen the Going Live tweet, then you'll understand my joke. And you'll understand it. But if you didn't, it's an inside joke then. But also go like my Going Live tweet. That's also a thing. Color, I'm doing good. How are you? How is your day going, friend? Welcome in. Margaretron, big smooches for you. Happy Tuesday. Mars Luna, hi, old. Welcome in. Fit is so trans... I didn't even do it on purpose, but pink, blue, and my skin is the pale white. We did. It's my. You can't see it because of the way I'm wearing it, but it's my himbo hat. Do I wear it this way? Oh, it looks weird. It looks weird on camera if I wear a hat this way. We'll do it backwards. It'll be a surprise for anyone who knows what's happening. A little the secret of the hidden himbo. It'll all be behind closed doors. Not closed. I don't know what I'm saying. Gibberish. Astro, hello, welcome, and I'm so glad you were able to redeem that. I'm so glad you were able to.
Day. Happy Pride Month. We are sashaying away with deals.
Coloram, thank you so much. I appreciate this sub. Thank you for spending your hard-earned money to support this queer little streamer this Pride Month. Thank you, friend. I hope you enjoy all the emotes, ad-free viewing, all that cool stuff. Thank you, friend. Dressor, big smooch. Thank you for the house. Robin, big smooch as well. Thank you. Stardrop, hello. Penguin, hello. Lasagna Max, hi. Oh my god, your drag makeup was so good. I loved seeing it. Thank you for sharing it with us. Penguin, big smooch as well. Thank you so much for that host. Just wanted to tell some folks who would care. I care so much. I'm so excited for you. Friend. I'm so proud of you. Skull Cavern is the original brand, and the Mines the great value version.
Ladies and gentlemen, her.
No, so true. You are correct about that. Also, y'all hyping me up on the outfits lately. I love validation. And Iced Matcha, hello. Thank you for the compliment. I'm glad you like the hat, friend. And Astro, today is your 3 months on T. It's space like this that I have to thank for helping me become comfortable enough to become myself. I love you so much. I saw your TikTok about your...
Hey, twin.
Thank you for the 200 videos, Red Lionheart. I appreciate that so much. Thank you, friend. Thank you. 200 days sober. Congrats, friend. And Astro, I saw your TikTok. I'm just so proud of you, and I'm excited. I love you all so very much. I have Aphish Crush up. I saw Godric. I saw is it the redhead who's 24, and you're like. Also, Moonlin, welcome in. It's good to see you. I hope you're having a good day. It's very cute fit. Thank you, friends. And it's so good to see you all. Thank you for being here. Of course, Lumi, enjoy your lurk. Anyone else who is here lurking, please pop the stream on in the background while we get aboard our chaos. I don't know if that's the right word, but while we get onto the chaos, I hope you enjoy hanging out with us. Please do not feel free like you have to chat if you don't want to, but also if you want to chat, we love a little chit chat moment. It's up to you. I'll be here for the next 2 and a bit hours or so, and we can just chill and vibe and have a good time. Becca, hello, welcome in. Low-key a fashion queen. I feel like my outfits are cuter in the summertime. Look at all those chickens, Yummy! Yummy, thank you for the 1,000 biddies. What the heck? Thank you, friend. Oh my goodness gracious. And Yarp, enjoy your lurk. Enjoy your lurk. Wait, why do you say bear weekend? I'm confused now. And enjoy your lurk as well, Lauren. Moonland might fall asleep but determined to stay awake for midnight time because it's your birthday tomorrow. Nice. And Mars Luna, enjoy your lurk as well. So many pals lurk and enjoy your lurk. And Moonland, happy early birthday. Happy birthday. If it hits midnight, let us know and we'll sing you happy birthday, friend. Oh, I missed the first part. Red has 24 and you feel ancient. Saw him on the app. Oop. We're talking today about how he had a wildfire island trip for Bear Weekend and we shared some Fire Island P-Town stories, but fortunately, when she's seeing someone flop. Hate it here, hate it. That's very sad. But you know what? You can still crush. Godric. I'll allow it. I'm not even the person that you have a work crush on, but I'll allow it. One more thing before I focus. I believe in you, Rehurdle. Lauren, thank you. And Pasta Panic, I'm having a good day. How are all of you doing? I didn't see you all yesterday because I had a little family thing, which actually ended up being really nice. I was a little nervous because family stuff is always hit or miss. But it ended up actually going, it actually went pretty well. And today's been pretty chill. A relaxing kind of day. Haven't done a whole lot. Did a little bit of a cleaning and tidying around my room, stuff like that. I updated some of my mods because I went to go check on my folder just to make sure my file just to make sure it was working before starting stream, and Pam Horse wasn't working, and I was like, no, we can't have that. We cannot have that. So I fixed it. Don't worry, Pam Horse is still gonna be around. But it was like a panic moment of like, how are all you doing? Penguin, you are doing good. Drinking some squash and enjoying not being sick anymore.
Are you gay? I am.
Godric, thank you for giving that birthday gift to Moonlin. That is so generous of you. I appreciate so very much. And Moonlin, I hope you enjoy that too. Happy birthday, friend. Hazel, hello. Welcome in. It's good to see you. Congrats on, ooh.
You could stop at 5 or 6 stores, or just one.
Yeah, your generosity is far too much. I appreciate so very much. And Late Night Rider, hello, welcome back. I have been doing so good. I hope you've been doing good too, friend. Welcome. It's so good to see you. Gotta go study, but I hope you have all a good stream. Oh my god, of course. Anyone who needs to lurk, anyone who needs to study, do what you gotta do. Do what you gotta do. It's totally fine. But yeah, no, Pam Horse is working. Do not you worry about it. We're gonna all be good. Pam Horse, we gotta do what we gotta do for her. Do it for her. It's like the... Wait, I need to do, The Simpsons, where it's the do it for her and it's Lisa and it's all the pictures of Lisa over top of like the sign at like Homer's job? I need to do that. I need to do that, but with Pam Horse.
Hey, gay people.
Patrick!
Are you gay? I am.
Why would you... Wait, Maggie Bestie, wait, what? I'm confused, but hi. Oh, it's Maggie. I was like, who's Maggie? Who's Maggie? It's Maggie in the chat in The Simpsons. In The Simpsons. But Godric, thank you for gifting out that sub. Hazel Elixir, I hope you enjoy. You're so kind. Now everyone can use the Pam horse. And Margaret, you're having a chaos day, but take your ADHD meds, killing it. Love that for you. With Pam horse, exactly. Not me zoning out. I think you were talking about. See, it's weird that y'all have real names. It's weird that y'all have real names because it doesn't exist. And Princess of Pat, big smooch for that host.
This is
Izzy,
definitely
big
fruity.
smooch as well. You have your phone interview with the hospital job in 30 minutes. We'll be here to hype you up. We'll be here to hype you up. We're here to hype you up. We believe in you. You've got this, my friend. I hope you have a good interview. Let me hurdle. Shall we hurdle before we begin our Stardew moment? Also, thank you all for that hype train. I appreciate that so very much. Thank you all for being so generous, and I just adore you. And I love you all very much. And Days Off, welcome in. I will do a Muppet unboxing as soon as I start the prediction for Hurdle. Give me 1 second. Very glad to be home. I was there for 6 days. I'm glad that you're home. I'm glad that you're back, friend. Skip a scene in a movie series because it gives too much. Oh, absolutely. Sometimes I'll fast forward through. And Moon, welcome in. Christina, thank you for that comment. So many outfit compliments. I appreciate it, y'all. Moon, thank you also for the host. Big smooch. Thank you. Okay, Hurdle today. Slay or not to slay or not to slay. If you are not familiar, we start the stream with hurdles. It is a game where you it's basically like Wordle but with songs. So you guess the song with little bits of the song added every time you guess. I'm gonna start a prediction. You can use your channel points. There's a possibility to win or lose some channel points based on how much you believe in me. So we'll see. 10 mil. I think next time we do Perfection stream, which is Thursday, should be the time we catch 10 mil. Thursday will be Perfection stream, and then Saturday is gonna be drag makeup stream. It's gonna be a very packed, stacked. It's gonna be a packed and stacked kind of coming weeks, days, week. I don't know. Stuff is happening, but yes. And Min, big smooch, thank you for the host. Thank you everyone who's hosting. I appreciate so very much. All of your love, all your support. It means a lot to me. It helps me out a whole lot. Okay, while y'all are guessing whether or not while you're hosting, while you're guessing whether or not I'll get this song today. One, I'll reveal that I did cheat on you all. I was feeling a little bit depressed-y, and so I opened one of the, you can't see it very well on this. Can you see it better this way? Anyways, I got Miss Piggy. I opened a Miss Piggy. I feel bad that I opened it, but I was feeling sad and I opened Miss Piggy and it made my day better. So I actually don't feel too bad about it because I got Miss Piggy and I'm very happy. Honestly, I know that I want to get one of everything, but also I don't care anymore because I got Miss Piggy and that's all that matters. Believe in you today. I'm playing the odds. Play the odds. It's fine. I don't think you got this, but I support you all the way. You'll never know. Y'all never know. Sometimes I surprise you. I mean, it is Miss Piggy. Maybe it's just a yassified pig Pam. Okay. Gotta find the head. Oh, that nose I would recognize anywhere. It's our Gonzo. It's Gonzo. Yay. Oh, I love Gonzo. I'm glad we got. Also, this look, if you can't see it, you can't see it very well. And it's not going to focus. Oh, wait, no, it focused. Okay, you can kind of see. He's wearing like a chili pepper printed shirt with a polka dot tie. Honestly, very much a slay. I've had many experiences over the past week. Come out to stream and we're doing 100 dinos. Yes. Well, we got 100 chickens last time we were playing in our Joja farm. Speaking of chickens, chicken. Very, very honestly, Gonzo's kind of a trans icon. Gonzo is queer coded and you can't change my mind. Also, Bibble Lover, hi. Hi, hello. Gonzo is absolutely queer coded. Miss Piggy is Pam's persona. Wait, no, but why is that accurate? Why are you correct about that? I need a Pam bus and the Pam trailer. I am worried about breaking my game because the amount of mods I have now, but also maybe I will add the Pam bus and the Pam trailer. I feel like it might just meant to be. Maybe it's meant to be. Okay. Also, you being in the hospital during Pride, truly homophobic. Well, you're out though. You're out though, and it's still some time left in Pride Month, so it'll all be good. Shall we do our hurdle? I have 182 now. I need to stop. Ooh. Of channel. Of mods. I was like channel points. It's like no mods. I have like 30 on my both of my modded save files, and I'm like, that's too much. That's too much. That's too much. Because I have 2 different mod folders. I set it all up so I have expanded ready to go. When we finish our 100% on our regular farm, I have expanded all ready to go. So many doubters today too. I did, however, get to interact with some girls. We love to see it. We love a little extra fruitiness. Okay. Shall we? It's very like 50-50 today, I think, from what I saw the predictions. Some of you believe me and some of you don't. Okay, let's see.
When you're weary.
Anyways, the gays just keep on winning. Honestly, with all of y'all doubting me, I didn't expect to slay.
Gay.
I will say,
Gay. She lived near where he died.
Gay. I will say,
lesbians! Let's go, lesbians!
am I gonna be allowed to talk?
Excuse me, lesbians coming through! Watch out!
See, I knew you'd get it, but I voted no to fund the predictions. See, but also though, a lot of people didn't think I would get it.
You've got to have
Eggs. Thrice a day at least. Well, thank you to the 8 people who contributed 11,000 channel points to saying no. You want to know the very gay reason why I know that song very well? I sang it in a choir in high school. So that's why I know that song so thoroughly. Is Simon and Garfunkel camp? I don't think so, but they're not camp. I mean, everything's camp if you look at it the right way. Lady Octopus, feel like you missed something, so we're just gonna... Hi, Lady Octopus, welcome in. Oh no, we don't. I don't have a buy one yet. We don't have a buy one yet, but I also flopped on purpose. Gay. Oh my gosh!
When they say like, you know,
hi gay, best welcome in. I thought you would get it, but I bet on flop it was the minor. Okay, that makes sense. But then also, flop was the minority, but then it became the majority, and so everyone who voted for slay and the not flop version got cash money. See, yeah, exactly. Hazel Elixir has 9. You won 9.5K. That's honestly, I love it. Yes, if you do have a buy alert sound, if you have a buy alert sound option, I can't think of anyone that is funny. And no, so for dinosaurs, usually we would do the chickens. Usually we would do the chickens and we would bye. Okay, that actually is kind of good. But usually we do the chickens, and when the chicken hatches, we would all like collectively name it, but with this, I'm getting by. Ooh, also works. We got options. I love that Godric and Coco are in sync. Very much love to see it. Love to hear it. Love to experience it. Shall we pop into some Stardew? Let's pop into some Stardew. What I was saying was basically for the dinosaur names, because they're channel points, you can redeem your dinosaur name whenever you would like, and I will just start writing a list, and whenever the dinosaur gets named, I'll keep on going down the list. I will try to figure out how to keep track of all that.
This is definitely fruity.
I'll try to figure out a way to keep track of it, but yes, there is a dinosaur redeem now. So Late Night Writer, if you let me know. Oh, I didn't give you a Shorb kiss. Hydrate, I am so sorry. Thank you for reminding me. Him. Kiss for little boy. Kiss for little Shrek. There you go. Thank you for being patient with me, Spread. Honestly, sometimes it just gets, my brain loses it. So thank you for being patient as I head empty. I can't redeem. Oh, weird. Okay. I mean, we just added it, so it might be a little bit funky. Scrubs or Scout. Enrix Cobra. You want Dinatello. Okay. Let me pop into the game. I think we also already have one dinosaur. Pop, I go to my lurk. If you can, with the channel points, see if you have a text box and mark them as you complete as the dinos are named. Maybe that might make sense. That might make sense. But I also don't want to have it that the if it gets accidentally cleared out that I lose the dinosaur names. I don't want to accidentally have that happen. So we'll see. Oh, and also thank you for the hydrate, Penguin. I appreciate it. Dora, hello, welcome in. It's good to see you, friend. Happy Tuesday. Oh, they're all Pam horses. Don't worry about it. And Late Night Rider, enjoy your lurk. Finish what you're working on, and we'll see you when you get back, my friend. Enjoy your lurk. See, it's cursed chaos day, so don't worry about it. It all will work out in the end. I do have to find my dinosaur because I gotta write that down. Found a game that's like sorry but kind of better. Yes, I saw the link you posted in the Discord. I haven't checked it out, but I saw. I'll just focus exactly. Worry about the chickens. It's fine. Don't even worry about it. Okay, let's see. What is our dinosaur named? Oh, Bing Bong. Okay, Bing Bong. Okay, I'm gonna put an asterisk next to all of them that are named. Oh no. Oh, Godric, no. No, we're just gonna have Jurassic Park because technically chickens. Also, hi Badger, welcome in, friend. It's good to see you. Just technically chickens are descended from dinosaurs. So, oh, Yaddy, yes, Yammy. What you name that you wanted for the thing is Yammy. Thank you. Just if I do not verbally confirm that it's added to the list, let me know, and I will put it in. Little Lush, welcome in, friend. There also is, if you do exclamation point dino names, I think I added dino names or exclamation point names, it'll bring up the Google Docs thrice a day at least. Now I know that like nobody's business, but yes, if you do exclamation point names, you'll be able to see the list of names that we have going so far. And it'll also have the chicken names in there as well if you want to see the names that we've given to our chickens, of our 100 chickens. And Marble Bear, hello friend, welcome, and it's good to see you. Willow's Polly as well, hello. How are you folks doing? I hope you're having a good, exactly, Eggageddon. Why did I almost want to start singing Mamma Mia to the tune of that? Eggageddon. Here we go again. Egg. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm doing. Head empty, no thoughts, just eggs. Yes, how are folks doing? If you haven't told me how your day is going, I would love to know how you're keeping, how things are holding up for you. Please feel free to share. I would love to know how you're doing. But also, if you don't want to share, that's your little secret. You can keep it a secret. You could just sit here in silence and you don't have to tell me a single thing. Don't even, didn't ask, I don't know. Musical genius, someone's got to do it. It's hard, but someone's got to do it. Went to the zoo. That sounds so super fun. And Mars Luna, let me know what you would like for the name, for your dinosaur. And yes, Hazel, you've been working on a bunch of Stardew mod stuff, which looks so super cool. And I think I saw you're also taking commissions for mods, which is super duper cool. Oh my god, yes, red, white, and royal blue slay finally. Okay, no, that is your tick tick boom then for me. That is absolutely your tick tick boom for me. You finally reading red, white, and royal blue. I feel at peace. I feel at peace. Fire Island watch. I still have to watch Miss Everything Everywhere All at Once. I'm behind. Kind of tired, but generally feeling well. Almost cried because of Elliot's 14 Heart event. Because the poem was so sweet. Oh, I love that. I love that so well. So mulch. Love that so mulch. Wait, Sneakrits? Margaretron, what Sneakrits? What sneaky secrets? I feel like I was head empty. Wasn't fully paying attention when you said Sneakrits. So I don't know what you're referring to anymore. You know what? Yes, Sneakrits. And Marabou Bear, you've been up since 2 a.m. for me, even studying for last exam this semester. Currently 4:30. I'm taking a breather. I'm glad we could be here to stream, and that you can lurk and hang out with us. I hope your exam goes well, friend. Considering commissions, think it's gonna be cool to be able to help people bring their favorite stuff. Yes, I think that'd be so cool. And Lady Octopus, you'll get there eventually. I mean, we have 100 dinosaurs to name. There'll be lots of chances for you to get a dino name in the queue. And after you're having an okay day, still kind of recovering from the atrocity that was last week and some gross stuff I got hit with over this weekend. Ugh, friend, it just, honestly, they don't stop coming and they don't stop coming, but like in a bad way. And I hate that for you. And I'm sending you all the love, and hopefully things get better for you. And I'm glad you're having an okay day. Better than a bad day, right? Generally thought Fire Island was about Fire Fest for a good week or two. Love that for you. And Elvis, welcome in, just got here. Having a so-so day. Half the day has been good, other half has been anxious wreck. Oh, I'm sorry, very, very much. Very, very much relate to that. I'm so sorry you've been feeling anxious, friend. Hopefully things progress and get better.
Hi, Happy Pride Month. We are sashaying away with deals.
Rin, thank you for the resub. Thank you for being here for a whole heckin' thank you for a whole a year, and enjoy your lurk, and I appreciate you endlessly. You said Sneakrit, so I thought, oh, Sneakrity. Wait, okay, yeah. Did I say Sneakrit? I don't remember saying Sneakrit. Oh, what if you made a glow in the dark Junimo? That'd be so cute. Yes, do. And Mars Luna, enjoy your lurk, friend. Anyone else who's lurking, enjoy your lurks. I thought we were, okay, place in Long Island. Wait, what? There's a place in Long Island? I know there's a New York thing where gay people go. Also, Moonling, you passed 3rd year of uni with all B's. Congrats, friend. Penguin, your cat Lily's officially joined. Meow, meow. Hi, Lily. Peacock did its tail thing to stage, and I was like, excuse you, that's your fee. Excuse you, very much so. Damn birds flirt with fear, I'd say. I love it. I remember you making a keychain. I wanted to know if you still will sell those, if it was a one-time thing, but I remember you mentioning the possibility of selling them as merchandise or something. Maybe, Yami. They are a good chunk of work. And I've usually done them for special occasions, as like, you know, prizes and giveaways for certain things, but you know, never say never. I don't wanna, you know, promise anything, because they are a good chunk of work to do, but you know, maybe in the future. Also, Robin, let me know what you would like for your name for your. Let me know what you would like for your name for your dinosaur. Also, just quickly, a quick heads up, there will be an ad break coming up very shortly. If you are not subscribed, you may see a little bit of a commercial break. Please stick through it. It helps give me a little extra coin dollars during my life. And it's very appreciated. Yeah, it would be very appreciated if you stuck around through the ads. I just want to give you a heads up and let you know ahead of time that yes, the ads are coming up. But fighting is weak to flying. True. Also, what was I doing last time? Oh, I need to go get bug meat. Okay, bug meat, and I need to go bring the starfruit to Kent. Okay, we'll go to Kent first with the starfruit, and then we'll go on over to the mines for bug meat. I'm gonna, of course we missed you, Badger. It's so good to have you back hanging out with us, friend. I know life gets busy. Y'all always can't hang out with stream. Totally get it. Y'all go forth. Do what you want to do. You do what you gotta do. I totally get it. No pressure to be here when you're not. Finish your house in Animal Crossing. It feels so good. Now I'm gonna continue working on your island. Oh my god, that sounds fun, Elvis. I hope you enjoy. Like to name one after the original T-Rex from Jurassic Park. Her name is Roberta. Okay, yes, absolutely. Roberta will be added to the list of names. Ken's portrait, they're all Pam. What's wrong with that? What's wrong with that? Yeah, everyone's Pam. The horses are Pam. The people are Pam. The Pams are Pam. It's Pam. It's Pam. I think Pent's beautiful. I agree. Okay, perfect. You're welcome. Except for Harvey, which is Atmos. That is also correct. That is also correct. Everyone is Pam, except for Harvey, who is me. But like not like a joke way. Like well, we're already on our way up this way. If you haven't seen it, let's say hi to our bestie. Hi, bestie. Also, Elvis, I know you're feeling anxious today, friend. Big hug, big squeeze. I'm giving you a hug that will hopefully squeeze all the anxiety out. I adore you. I appreciate you. And thank you for being here. Oh, and Penny is also just Penny. Penny's the only normal one. The slimes are also Pam. Slimes are also Pam. Also, if anyone wants to do exclamation point Harvey, I think the command is. There is the mod available on Nexus Mods if you would like to add me into your game. Oh gosh, it's everywhere. Also, Albie plays. Hi, Fred. Welcome back. It's good to see you again. What do you mean the slimes are Pam? I'll show you. We're going to the mines. I'll show you. I'll show you what it looks like. We'll have a little treasure, a little treat, a little something special for all of you on this here Chaos Tuesday. Y'all asked for Unhinged, and that's what you're gonna get. That's what we're gonna get. We're gonna have to go find bugs, but the bugs. Hopefully on our mission to find bugs. Oh, there we go. Perfect. Quick and easy. Quick and easy. We found a Pam slime. Okay, bugs, please. Do I have the recipe for Monster Musk? Yes, but I don't know if I have enough slime or bat wings at home, which may cause me problems. Sage convinced me to play Stardew Valley for the first time in months. Oh my god, yes, go forth, have fun, friend. Feel free to pop in if you need a break from Stardew at any point. Lurk, do whatever you need to do. Thank you so much for hanging out with us, even for a little bit today. It was go good. It was so good to see you. And we'll hopefully see you again soon, Badger. And give Sage all of our love. And say a big hello from all of us here. Okay, there's one bug. I feel like it's gonna take me 7 years. Not even any bug guts. Are you kidding me, dude? That's rude. That's very rude. Oop, thank you for the posture check, Penguin. I definitely needed that. Okay. What are my best levels for slime? I mean, not slimes. Bugs. Is there a best level for bugs? Oh, well. You want to give me any bug guts? Oh, great. Oh, I finished a Monster Slayer goal though. Very slay, very slay. The early ones, okay. I am on the earlier ones, and we do have some bug guts. Iced Matcha, thank you for the hydrate. Honestly, really refreshing. I don't know why, like, that water is extra refreshing today. She did what needed to be done. Slay what you wanna slay. That's honestly my goal with my Pride Month alerts, is really just to get everything stuck in your head. And so all of you are just walking around like, slay what you wanna slay. Hi, gay. Happy Pride Month. We are sashaying away with deals. Hope you're doing well. Chaotic day for me, so I'm ready for all the cute dinos. Genki will welcome in, friend. It's so good to see you. We're hoping for some dinos to hatch soon. I think
when
we've
they
got,
say like, yeah, you know,
hi gay. I think we've got a good handful of them in our incubators. I think about at least one alert a day. Good. I've rotted my way into your brains. I hope that also you all, whenever you are out in the world, think of some of the like clips from the raid video. I hope that's also wormed its way into your brain too. Okay. Shall we do a deep breath, Yami? Let's do a deep breath. We'll do a nice little deep breath to calm ourselves in the midst of all the bugs in the guts. In the midst of all the bugs in the guts, we'll take a little deep breath. I'm just so glad that other people now have to think of the egg sound. You've spread the chaos. You've spread it so that you're not the only one who thinks of eggs thrice a day at least. Every time I play Stardew, I see the slimes mating. I think of in my minds. I don't think so. Gonna try to save up for a slay sound redeem, but muting and hiding you is always so tempting. I hate it here. 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 Okay, let's do a deep breath. I know a few folks have said that they're having chaotic, stressful days.
Eggs. Thrice a day at least.
So let's do a deep breath together. We're gonna breathe in for 4, hold for 7, and out for 8. I'll walk you through the first one. We'll do the second one together, and we can just kind of all calm down a little bit. Ready? Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. GGWP. Very good. And Cloth and Things, you can redeem dino name whenever. I'm just gonna add it to a list, and as the dinosaurs hatch, we'll go down the list and we'll start adding the names, so you can redeem it whenever and just holler and let me know, and I will add it to my list. We're gonna do one more deep breath, one more dino breath. Yes? I don't know.
Let's go, lesbians! Let's go, lesbians! Excuse me, lesbians coming
through.
Watch out!
Gay rights has infiltrated my actual speaking. Okay, I love that. Cloth and Things, of course we'll name one after you. Also, I know some of you have a lot of channel points, and there's no way for me to like make it so that you can only in your lifetime ever redeem one thing once, but I would ask that we try not to be redeeming multiple dino names, at least not for the first. I would say like, I don't know, 50, just because I want to give everyone a chance to have a dino name, and I know some of you have enough coin to like be able to basically just flood the dinosaur names. So I'm just gonna, put it out there. I can't necessarily, actually, you know what, I can refund you. Although I'm gonna have trouble keeping track of who redeemed it, but yes, I just, I'm sure y'all will be fine with that, but I just want to put it out there in the world. And Moonland, you'll start saving up for it. Perfect. Dora, yes. What would you like your dinosaur to be named? Let me know, and I will add it to our lovely little list of dinosaurs. Okay, actually, you know what? I am doing okay. I think I'll need to, if I do the mines again tomorrow, I think it'll be a good idea to prepare a little chunk of monster musk. Just to sort of make everything happen. Also, Dressor, if you're in the Discord, you might need to be approved first because we just have it so that we have to manually approve folks to join the Discord. Just so in case anyone, you know, tries to come in and spam, you know, mean, rude messages. So if you're in the Discord, but it's not letting you access any of the channels, if either Stardrop or God or Late Night Rider or Astro, I think those are the mods. Perfect. Thank you, Stardrop. I was just about to ask, and you did it. You did it before I could even finish. And Dora, name yours Gora. Okay, perfect. Okay, perfect. And Dressor, what would you like your dinosaur to be named? You zoomed in there. Perfect. Love to see it. Love to see it. Love to hear it. Love to breathe it. I don't know what I'm saying. I don't know what I'm saying. And Creativia, hello friend, welcome in. How is your Tuesday going? I honestly, Chaos Farm is always on a Monday, and so I'm very confused right now. And also whatever, sure, hello friend, welcome. How are you doing? It's good to see you today. Happy Tuesday. Baba doopy doobs day. And Jenki as well. Oh my goodness gracious, so many dinosaur names. But yes, Dressor, let me know what you'd like your dinosaur name to be. And Jenki, we will have Plessy. Don't know what that means. Oh, Plesiosaurus. That's a dinosaur. It's a dinosaur. You actually named it after a dinosaur. Tuesday is going Title led me down a Stardew Valley challenges internet rabbit hole though. Haven't heard this one. I mean, I kind of made it up. Based on a challenge that I saw Le Chaton do where she did 100 cows. Then I saw a 20-something loser do 100 of every animal, and so I thought I would just sort of chip away at it. Okay, Lauren is doing Tyson like the Frozen. I've never heard of that before, but honestly, Tyson will go for it. And Dressor, I don't think I have your name in yet, so let me know and I'll add your name in. Like how the Pam slides have the intent, right? Aelith, also Aelith, hi friend, welcome in. It's so good to have you here. I just feeling soft that all y'all cuties are here to hang out with me and give me all the love and just be sweet and lovely and kind and cute. And I love all these dino names. Yes, Elvis, let me know what you would like your dinosaur name to be too. Oh my god, also Star, can someone do an exclamation point sorry for Star Soul? Because absolutely there's never need to apologize. Oh my god, not at all. Creativia, you could do any challenges. I asked first before I did it, but like, you know, it's a challenge. Do whatever you'd like. Make your farm do whatever you want. It's totally up to you.
Hi, Gay. Happy Pride Month. We are sashaying away with deals.
Zora, thank you so much. Thank you so much for the resub. Thank you for 17. What the fuck, dude? What the actual shit butt? Are you kidding me? And then Nora, hello. Welcome in, friend. It's good to see you. Happy Tuesday. Welcome, friend. And Margatron. Yes, Margatron and Dressor, let me know what you'd like your dinosaurs to be named. I've got already 12 names on the docket. I'm doing pretty good. I'm doing pretty good. Summer's been nice. It's been weird, sort of being out of school and having free time. Definitely been going through like a bit of an anxiety moment, but you know, we're living, we're laughing, we're loving. I only have one dino so far, but we're sort of pre-naming them just so when we get to the names, people will have them already. Because sometimes the polls that we do are a little bit chaotic. And VB, hello friend. I feel like I haven't seen you in a little bit. Welcome in. It's so good to have you. Welcome. Okay, remove Lewis. Free time, don't know her yet. I mean, we'll know, but maybe eventually. Need dinos, but going to Skull Cavern high key gives you anxiety. True. I feel like you can dig up dinosaurs or fish up dinosaur eggs. I think. It's a low chance, right? Okay, Moon is confirming for me. It is an anxiety moment when you feel it every day. Are you also asking for me? Because I also am that friend who is... Ooh. Feels so good naming Dino after a cat. It felt right. I love that. I love that. I love that. And also Smoey, hello. Haven't caught you in a hot minute. I hope you're doing good. Of course, friend. I hope you're doing good. Also, no worries. Life gets busy. It's good to see you. Imagine not being anxious. Oh, there's also a low chance of getting dinosaur eggs and artifacts. So there is options that are not they're not the skull caverns. Also been having an anxiety moment every day. Love the all anxiety gang, rise up. But hopefully y'all are managing okay, finding things that bring you joy, finding things to de-stress. Hopefully the stream can help you de-stress. And we're all here for you. I'm sending you all the love and all the big hugs during all of this fucking chaos. But yeah, imagine not being anxious. Could not be me. Could never be me. Okay. I think I have Elvis. I have your name done. Margatron, I have your name done. Lauren, I have yours. Jenky, I have yours. Dora, I've got yours. I just think the only one I'm missing is Dressor. So Dressor, let me know what you'd like your dinosaur to be named. I'm just gonna put Dressor in the list for now, just so I know that there's a name there, or there's a spot for you there. Oh, you Lady Octopus, you usually get it from artifact spots. See, exactly. You don't. I mean, it's a bit more work, but hey, it all works out in the end. Miss Lexi Pro, gotta start pulling. Miss Lexiana, help, please. Oh my god, what was I gonna say? So I was actually completely related, but unrelated, but I was kind of having like, not like an anxiety spiral, just kind of like feeling like kind of like anxious and up late last night. And so I was like, what do I want to watch? I don't want to watch anything on Netflix. So what did I end up watching? I ended up watching, I think it's called Tanz der Vampir, which is a German musical based on a Roman Polanski movie about vampires. It was so good. It was so good. It was also the music, the person who composed the score for it is the person who made, as whatever Sure said, Total Eclipse of the Heart, and also the Meatloaf album Bat Out of Hell. I think he like co-wrote that. And so it's like a rock musical, and he also just recycled Total Eclipse of the Heart. So there's a moment in the musical where like the big vampire is like lusting after the girl in it, and he's like singing Total Eclipse of the Heart's melody with a bunch of like vampire lyrics. It was like unhinged. It was so unhinged in like the best possible way. Like there's just a full song about garlic, and there's a gay vampire who's very in love with one of the male characters, and it's just a slay. It's just a slay. There's like a bunch of free versions on YouTube. If you're looking for something to watch, please watch it. It's so very good. And Margatron, did you mean to do a, wait, did you already, wait, Margatron, no, never mind. Oh my god, that was 5 minutes ago. You didn't do another redeem. My brain is broken. But honestly, like, highly recommend. It's one that I like put on my watch list a while ago, and I finally got around to watching it, and oh my god, am I glad I did. Let me pull up. Honestly, you can find it really easy. Tanz der Vampir. Let me pull up the production I watched. It's you think I'm gaslighting? Okay, no, I'm not having any of this bullshit. We're gonna watch it. We're gonna watch the entire 2.5 hour production right now on stream. No, we're not. But we're gonna show you my favorite number, which is the ending number, which won't spoil anything. So if you want to watch it, it won't spoil anything. Tanz der Vampir. Let's find the pro shot. We'll find the pro shot. Don't proceed to light mode YouTube. I'm sorry.
Gay rights! Gay rights!
Anyways, this musical slays so hard. It's so fun. I'm so sorry for light mode. Y'all are just haters. Y'all are just haters. It's really campy. It's like a vampire comedy rock musical. I love it. Also, it's Toasty. Hello, welcome in. Thank you for the follow, friend. My partner watched love this. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. It's all in German with subtitles. Fake fan, flop, 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 flop. It's okay, Fred. It's okay. Don't even worry about it. Welcome in. Oh, okay. Dressor sent me her dino name. It's Qui-Gon Jinn. Okay. Pokehoods, hello. Yes. We rated Sky. I almost said yesterday, but that's definitely not the day. That's definitely not the day it was. It was Sunday, but welcome in, Pokehoods. It's good to have you here. I hope you're having a fantabulous, wonderful Tuesday. Oh, pardon me. And welcome in. I'm gonna have to turn my YouTube to light mode, to dark mode. Your keyboard is dying? Love to see it. Love to see it. And yes, Star, there's a channel point redeem where you can choose dinosaur names. And I'm just gonna have, you know, a just gonna have a list up, so every time a vampire hatches. I'm in my vampire German musical era now. Zora, what would you like your dinosaur to be named? Every time. Wait, did I leave a bug meat behind? It's fine. We didn't see anything. Okay. Star Wars character, you pronounce the Qui-Gon Jinn. Okay, love that. Do not be angry with you. Zora, what? Zora, what? Okay, the thing is though, Zora, it's funny you say that because I'm pretty sure we already have a chicken named Sakana. So like, I'm gonna have to do it. It's not inherently inappropriate. It's y'all nasty minds. What's the name of the musical? Text was blocking and I want to experience the cabby goodness. It was Tanz Zir Vampire? Tanzir Vampire? It's like Dance of the Vampires. I seem super good at this game. I feel like I've got about 200 hours in my main save file. 200 hours in my main save file, about 30 or 40 hours in this save file. I've got lots of hours in this game. I am very well practiced in it, Pokehoods, but trust me, we all start somewhere. When I started, I was bad at this game. I was actively... Oh. Yes, Moons and Flowers spelt it correctly. But also, like, if you just put some stuff in there in German, just look up German vampire musical. Wait, no, there's actually also Dracula. There's a German Dracula musical, so maybe not. Of course, Dora, we'll see you again soon. Thank you for being here. And what is that mount? It's the Pam horse. We're playing with a few mods that maybe spice up the game a little bit. Don't worry about it. Shh, it's fine. Shh. It's fine. Oh, I passed out. It's fine. Don't worry about it. Also, Izzy, I think I got distracted by everything when you were saying something. Phone interview went smoothly. The lady who was interviewing me told me that the hiring manager will contact me directly about scheduling when I'll be able to start. If they don't think it's a fit for the job, then I'll get an email saying I'm not fit. Truly, okay. I'm so glad you had a good phone interview, friend. I'm so glad. I'm so proud of you. Congrats, and hopefully it works out. Very nervous. Hope I'm not too overly qualified because I have a bachelor's degree. You'll be fine. Pam Horse is gonna give you straight up nightmares. C'est la vie, baby. C'est la vie. That's just how the game works. Or like this really depressing German war movie I'm thinking of. I think it was a doctor in the title. Dr. Zhivago? Is that the one you're thinking of? I don't think I've seen it, but maybe that's it. Yes. Massive brain. It's hard being a full-on genius, but someone's got to do it, and that someone's going to be me. Okay, let's do Monster Mask so we can get a bunch of bug meat and we can finish this quest today. Watch this rock musical about Mozart. I think it was German. Yes. I actually, so after I watched the vampire musical last night, I then also ended up watching, a compilation of a thing where it's like German musicals being really gay. Oh my God, not the snow. I'm so sorry, Penguin. It's okay. Wait, one second. I'm inside now. It's fine. You're safe now. Take a 30-minute snoozer because my adrenaline's... Oh my God, of course. Crash. And Lauren, welcome back from your lurk. Do we have sewer unlocked? Yes. Oh my God, and congrats on the tea set. And Izzy, enjoy your lurk. Okay, I think we have all the dinosaur eggs working away. There's a mute. Oh, wait, no, you're so right. There's that, there are the bugs in the sewer area. I don't know if I have that part of the sewer unlocked though. I don't remember. I can go check though. On my way to the mines today, I can absolutely go check that. That is a possibility. Also, I think for now, what I'm gonna need to do, also wait, Zora, you wanna change your, yeah, I'll change your redeem. Absolutely, friend. That is very sweet of you. Ritz Cracker will be the name for Zora's. That is very sweet of you, Star. There you go. Our sweet pal Zora has sacrificed their inappropriate dinosaur name for your very cute and fun and wholesome one. So I wanted to share this. I'm currently obsessed with TTRPG streams. I love it so much as a creative and someone who wants to do acting as a kid. It's really inspiring and fun to watch. Most of the TTRPG streams I watch is improv. So what's, oh yes, I watch a good handful of, or not watch. I listen to a good handful of TTRPG podcasteronies. We love a good TTRPG podcast. But I'm sure also TTRPG streams are also very fun. Yes, of course, you can change yours to done. Oh yes, I saw stuff about how do you pronounce it? Is it just Kolok? Is that the name of the podcast slash? No, it's not a podcast. It's a live streamed one. Wait. Oh no, Star. You okay? Wait, you did okay. Ritz Cracker. So I will do. I'll keep yours then, Zora. Okay, yeah, I've heard about it. It's like, isn't it like the one that we're doing right now is like a War of the Gods or something, if I remember correctly. I don't know. I saw a clip of Critical Bard singing and getting covered in blood, and I was like, now what in the? Je m'excuse? Qu'est-ce que c'est? It's Hey, it's all good. Don't worry about it, Zora. You put your money where your mouth is. It's up to you. I will say the full-on, like, very Carrie-esque moment, I was like, no, now I am intrigued. Because how in the hell is this a TTRPG podcast where someone's getting a Carrie moment happening? What? Now, the Franglish, sometimes it does... I mean, again, I do not speak very much French at all, but sometimes it does rear its evil head. And I do have a bit of a little Franglish moment. Ash was guest last week. Oh, yes. I think I saw Ash tweeting. I love Ash Turbato. Such a good streamer and a fellow Canadian. We stand Canadian icons. Yeah. I feel like that clip, I'm like, I need to get into it. All right, now though, I am really into, have any of you watched Drawtectives? Are any of you Drawfee girlies? Are any of you Drawfee stans? If so, rise up, let yourselves be known. I'm very much a Drawfee stan, and I am kind of obsessed with Drawtectives. I'm having a lot of fun. I'm having a lot of fun listening to it and enjoying it and watching it. Stellan is the Canadian Dan. Yes. Yep. Canadian born and raised. Yes, Mars. Okay, we love it. I love how I pull you out of lurk for this. I have a difficult time keeping up. That's totally fair. Honestly, I don't know. I put them on in the background a lot, so I'm half watching a lot of time, but Drawtectives is something I'm like religiously watching now. I like binge listen / watched it recently. It's really good. If you don't watch it, it's on YouTube, and it's basically like a kind of D&D-esque campaign thing where the party works to solve mysteries by drawing for the like people who they're interviewing. And it's really silly and it's really fun. And I highly recommend it. Okay. Also, we can put this bug meat in Willie's house barrel. Okay, and then we said we're gonna go to the sewer, right? Let's go to the sewer real quick, see if we can get what we need. It's really good to have the background. Yes, Mars, it's also, like, I will say, I feel like by watching other people draw, I feel like I've actually gotten good at it. Like, I've actually gotten better at drawing because I watch their tips and I'm like, wait, no, that's genius. That's big brain. That's big brain. How the hell did you know how to do that? You know what I mean? So I feel like I'm actually learning something sometimes. One of your favorite content creators was the latest, the guest of the latest one. That's so super cool. Okay, so I do have this. Okay, perfect. No, whoever said mutant bug meat stuff is a genius. Whoever did this, whoever said this, does it refresh? Did the bugs refresh? Like if I leave this and then come back, will these bugs refresh? That'll be best freaking bet. Whoever told me to do this, big brain genius. Yes, I did know that Julia and Jacob stream. I haven't watched any of their streams. But I do know that they stream. They'll be back in 3 days. That's so stinky. I want them back now. Because I only have 33 so far. Well, okay, it's okay. I'll use my Monster Musk, and I'll use my Monster Musk, and I'll go to the mines, and I'll do that. I'll do that as well. So we'll get a little bit of a wombo combo. So I don't know how many days I left myself. I've got 4 days to do it, so it's just enough time. Just as not a sneaky enough time. Also, is this jade? Oh no, those are just decorative rocks. I was very excited for a second. I think I want to name the dino. How do I pronounce that? Oifi? Oifi? Wait, so did you want to change it from Ritz Cracker to Oifi? What did you want to do, friend? LMK. Who's gonna got my eyes up for Colic, and now I'm hooked and I'm gonna watch all the. Oh, that sounds so super fun. That sounds so super fun. That sounds absolutely splendid. I love sometimes finding something that's like has a bunch of episodes and like binging it and just being like, I will consume it all. Aoife. Oh, Aoife.
This is definitely fruity.
Toasty, thank you so much for the host trend. I appreciate that so much. Big smooches to you. Thank you. Anyone else who's not hosting, it's free and easy to do. Helps me out a whole lot. Also, just a quick heads up and a warning. There should be an ad break coming up within the next few minutes. I would really appreciate if you are not subscribed and you stick around and watch those ads. It helps get me a little extra coin, you know, especially during Pride Month. Gotta get the gazer coins. So yeah, thank you. I'm gonna redeem 100 dino name redeems. I'll reject all of the redeems and I will unmod you and ban you. How about that? Try me. Try me, bitch.
This is definitely fruity.
Biggest smooch, Elvis. Thank you for the host. I appreciate. Ice cube trees that turn ice cubes into. Ooh. Ooh. Homophobia during. I mean, what if last character only redeemed? Well, there's not going to be 99 left because we already got 15 names. We've already got 15 names. So good luck, bitch. Good luck. Nice try. Love that too, but they are 3 hours long. Oh, that's fair. That's fair. That's fair. That's fair. Also, Ryan, hi, cutie. Welcome, welcome in. How was your Pyramid of Watts stream? I need to watch the VOD because I wasn't able to catch it. I think I was streaming at the same time, but how did it go? And welcome. So much fun. I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad. I'm glad. Okay, Shorb, kiss. Hello, here is Shorb. Appreciate and smooch for him. I just swished him into my face. Stream was okay.
Gay rights! Gay rights!
Gay rights! Thank you so much for the follow, Paz Gamer. It's lovely to have you here. Welcome, welcome. And I'm so sorry that you just followed to me kissing a Shrek orb. But welcome. Welcome. Yeah, I had some tech issues. I don't really know. I don't really know what exactly. Disnosaurus Rex. Oh my god, your username is perfect for today. We're trying to start our challenge where I get 100 dinosaurs, that's the word, in Stardew Valley on my farm. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be fun and funky and fresh, and I'm very excited for it. And Godric, yes, this coming Saturday, I am going to be doing my first ever drag makeup stream for charity. If someone wants to do exclamation point prom, don't we all love, except Past Gamer, you are correct. We do all love Shrek. But yes, so I'm going to be doing a drag makeup stream for the first time for charity. Y'all will be able to use your donations to vote on how my makeup turns out. You can kind of vote on the color palette for my eyeshadow, my lipstick, everything that I do. You will be able to vote on using your little donos to sort of make the polls happen. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. Oh, perfect. We love just hearing squish. Pop, stick, squish. Uh-oh, Scissor-o lip shits. And we can just spam this infested floor, right? Makes my life so easy. But yeah, so June 18th, 2 p.m. EST. Honestly, we'll probably run till about, probably about, honestly, 2 to 6. It might be a 4-hour stream because it takes me usually about like 3 or 4 hours to get in drag, and I feel like with chatting with you all, it might slow me down a little bit. I might get a little bit distracted, so I gave myself some wiggle room with that earlier start time. Toasty, it is you just find it by looking through garbage cans. It is just a rarer item to get. So you just gotta keep on searching through the trash. Eventually it will populate, but you just gotta keep on peeking through, and it'll sort of make the garbage can explode at some point, and there will be a trash can lid lying around, so you'll be able to tell. It'll explode. And Elvis, you want to share some progress pics of your Animal Crossing house in Discord? Haven't been in the Discord in a hot second, so I don't. You could probably put that there might be an Animal Crossing channel still. If not, then you can just do miscellaneous games. There should be an Animal Crossing channel. And of course, you're so very welcome. They're so very welcome, Toasty. Any questions you have. Also, Alexa Madison, hi. Hi, hello. The Harry Styles Apple ads. Wait, oh, did you get a Harry Styles sushi restaurant? Sushi restaurant. Don't know how the song goes, other than it's like sushi restaurant kind of vibes. That's the one, right? That's the vibes for that song. That's all I know about it. And I know that's the Apple commercial one. And Timmy, it's going good. Hello, welcome in, Star. Big smooch. Thank you for the host, Fred. I appreciate that host so very much. Yes, I did. There's 2 Animal Crossing channels. One for Animal Crossing New Horizons. Yes, I think there's one for Animal Crossing regular.
Gay rights! Gay rights!
Strawberry Bear, welcome in. Thank you for the follow, friend. Hello, 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 and welcome. You did get one the slides are setting. Okay, perfect. Love, love, love that. Love that for you very much. And Link, big swoosh to you. Thank you for the host, friend. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Welcome on in. I mean, you could also just, if you wanted to, just Google it, watch it on YouTube. But it's music for a sushi restaurant, I think, is the song that they knew. Alexa, Twitch, you're on Harry Styles. Wait, why are you on Harry Styles lockdown? Did you watch too much Harry Styles stuff and you've like timed yourself out of it? Honestly fair. Honestly fair. Sometimes we love a little hyperfixation moment. We go, bestie, I think we need to breathe. I think we need to take a second from this. Maybe we're doing a little bit too much. We're doing a little bit too much. I could feel myself like kind of getting a little bit Tanz der Vampir like vibe lip session. I was like, uh-oh. Am I gonna go down this rabbit hole of this weird vampire German musical? Is this gonna be my entire life now? And I luckily was like, no, pull yourself out of this. What, you're going to a second one, Alexa? You're going to 2? Oh my God. Very, very slay. Very, very slay. Very girl boss of you. I saw in the Discord you posted your outfit for the hair concert was so cute. Are you gonna wear the same outfit again, or are you gonna have a different outfit? I feel like you're gonna have a different outfit for the next concert. I feel like that is very much the vibe. I knew that one, 2L, I went there and Elizabeth, that's music. I literally, I watched Tanz der Vampire last night, and then I was really close to being like, what if I watched Rebecca? Because that one's the one with the staircase. My health is low. Oh, true. Okay, I'll eat an algae soup. Thank you for reminding me. Oh yes, a new outfit. Exciting. I'm less anxious now than when I got here. Oh, I'm so glad to hear that, friend. I'm so glad to hear that. And exactly. Sometimes we do need a little bit of a touch grass moment. Sometimes we need to just ground ourselves again and say, hey, bestie. Bestie? Let's take a second. Let's take a little second. Makes full outfits a few hours. I'm like, wow, magic. Truly, honestly, as someone who has made outfits in a few hours, I do love the feeling of making wow magic. Sometimes I'm even impressed with myself. I'm like, how the shit butt did I do that? How did I do that so quickly? Okay, I also feel like we definitely lucked out on having an infested floor on floor 16. It makes our lives so much easier because it just does. Because I can just go back to this level and basically... I'm excited for the drag stream too. Also, Angel, hello, welcome, welcome, and it's good to see you. Happy day. I don't remember what day it is, but happy day. To you, friend, and welcome. Okay, I think we got all the bug meat that we needed, right? Let's go. Let's go. Wait, how do we collect 100? It's Tuesday. Literally, love, it's Tuesday. You have one to do? Wait, what one to do? I don't know. Exactly. Happy day is something that someone definitely says so they know exactly what day, what time, what year, what everything is happening. I have a full-on grasp of reality. I'm not spiraling and I'm not having an existential crisis. I'm at that one. Oh, the bug meat one. It is a bit of a pain in the patootie, but you know, I got it done in like, you know, just 2 days now. Oh, okay, wait. Jeans likes. Do I have any fish on me? I don't. Oh, you know what I could maybe try? Would they? Do you think that they would like a bug steak? Or maybe they would hate it. Oh, these are the 2 cats, Jeans and Jorts. These are the 2 cat friends that we have. I don't know, cats eat weird things.
Slay what you wanna slay, and let the sleigh slay out. Wanna slay, I wanna see you slay, slay.
Hi friends, welcome in. T and Sleepy, hello. Welcome on in. Sleepy, thank you so much for the welcome in, pal. Hello and welcome. My name is Atmos. My pronouns are he, him. If you are new here, hello. Thank you for being here. Thank you for joining. Also, look, I added a bot command that will auto shout out any of my pals who are on the same stream team as me. So since T is on the same stream team as me, it auto shouted you out. But let me also get a shout out for our pal, to Sleepy to Jinja. Welcome in, friends. Thank you so much. I hope you had so much fun with Planet Zoo. Hello. Big hug for you, T. I adore you. I appreciate you. I am sending you all the love. And yes, hello, friends. We are playing with some Stardew Valley. Lots and lots of mods. Very chaos. Lots of silly times. Love your stream name and happy Pride. Happy Pride, Adel Batar. I hope I said that right. If not, I am so sorry. Correct me. I do have a raid video for all the new friends who are just joining us. If you haven't been here before and you like the vibes, you are welcome to chill here. Feel free to follow if you like the stream and want to see more streams in the future, anything like that. Or also head out if you need to go head out and take care of yourself. Do what you got to do. Our pal Nova has redeemed a pronouns party. So if you are new and have not shared your pronouns here before and would like to share your pronouns so we can get to know you, or if you've been here before and you'd also like to share your pronouns, drop your pronouns in the chat. As I said, he, him. I've got a raid video. Feel free to stick around. Feel free to run and go grab food, go grab water. Don't forget to take your meds. I will see you when I return. Thank you for sharing pronouns. They're very pog. Alistair, no, hello, welcome. And we just got a raid video, and then I'll see you all momentarily. Enjoy the raid video, cuties. Thank you again for the raid. I appreciate it so very much. Okay, I'll see you in a second.
No, it's still there. Y'all, I can't even farm in peace. No.
Good, you're trying different stuff. It's an open world. Exactly, it's an open world. Yes, my horses. You can put hats on your cowboys. I mean, you can put hats on your cowboys. Bestie, I can't speak. You can put hats on your horses. I want to go to the ass farm. I should not speak anymore on streams. I'm gonna look at the clips after stream, and it's just gonna be 7 people clipped me saying ass farm. Oh my gosh, I forgot to change. And so I'm dancing at the flower dance with a copper pan on my head. I am so ashamed. I should have dressed better for this. Y'all want boy? Here's boy. Here's boy. Hello friends, I hope you enjoyed the raid video. Thank you again for that raid. Also, Disney Princess, Disneysaurus Rex. I got a raid, remember this, you had to raid when you, oh my god, of course, I appreciate it so much. Hello boy, thank you so much for the raid. I appreciate it so much. And Disneysaurus Rex, do not even apologize. Do not even apologize. It's totally fine. Twitch is confusing. Take your time. Also, Godric will see you in a second. What's this mod? This one that I have right now is a mod. So someone's asking how you can talk to these cats. This is a mod that adds in internet famous cats, Jeans and Jorts, to your Stardew save file. So they wander around the town. They can, I think they can help you out at certain points in like doing different stuff. And it basically adds 2 little new NPC cats that just hang out at the farm. It's very hang out around the town. It's very cute. Raid video made you laugh. That was much needed. I'm so glad it could make you laugh. I'm so glad you all enjoyed. As I said, if you came in from the raid and you're liking the vibes here, please feel free to stick around. If you need to go, or if you're just, I'm not your cup of tea, it's also totally fair and fine. I appreciate you no matter what. You know, do what best for you. And thank you again for bringing your pals in. Sleepy, I know you gotta go, but thank you. Okay, what was I doing? I'm not gonna pass out on my farm today. That's what I'm not gonna do, is completely zonkaroni and fall asleep. How many Pams have I romanced so far? That is a good question. We're romancing everyone, and right now I have Linus, Wizard, Shrek, and Pam as my official partners. And then we're really close to getting full hearts with Leah, Harvey, and Robin. And so I think next after that, we'll go for Marnie and who else do we want to go for? Who else is easy to go for? I feel like Abigail will be easy to go for too, because Abigail is just Amethyst, right? Maybe I'll start going for Abigail also. Start carrying Amethyst around, so anytime I see the rock crunching gal, I can Oh, Sebastian's easy for Frozen Tears. I think I started saving Frozen Tears, if I remember correctly. I don't know if I saved Frozen Tears yet, but I think I was going to. And I saved some coconuts for Haley. These are for Sam. This is also for Sam. Pizzas will also be easy. I can do pizzas for Shane, and actually Shane will be really easy. I should start doing Shane next. The dwarf with the Pam's face. I always love the dwarf with the Pam face though. How could you say no to that face? Abigail also likes, ooh, also a good option. Because that's a bit, why not Sebi Pam? It's just the perfect combo. Pam, Sebastian mixed into one. You get the best of both worlds. Hannah Montana, when she was singing that song, she was singing about the Pam mod in Stardew Valley. Oh, 7 dwarf. Oh, yes, because of the dwarf while you're helping. But also, I don't know if dwarf is smoochable romance in this game save file with this mod. Let me check. No, the dwarf isn't smoochable, and I'm worried about smooching. Ooh, your wig came in. That's exciting. The perfect name for perfect, exactly, spam. The perfect name for a perfect combo. I mean, couldn't also Sebastian, Sam. Oh wait, Sam. Is Sam spam? Sam is spam. Sam spam? Spam? Pam? Sam spam? I don't know. Just saying you warp to minds to get set. That's true. That doesn't make sense. But I know this is very silly. I'm not playing this in any practical way, in any way, shape, or form. I am playing this in the most unhinged style. Oh shoot, I forgot to put the cranberries into the thing. And so I'm really more so worried about smooching everyone. That is why I'm romancing people. I'm not worried about, you know, getting perfect friendship. Emo spam and Naruto spam. Wait. Oh, okay. Emo spam and Naruto spam. Yeah, the differentiation between the two. Got it. That makes sense. Got it. I was gonna say accentuate. That's definitely the wrong word. And distinctify is the wrong word. What word am I looking for? Junimo cart? Bestie, RIP, I am sending you all of the luck because... When are we doing the dinos? I don't know. Well, because the thing is, with the one problem with Dimos is the one thing with dinos is you can't buy them, so you've got to hatch them. So it is really up to, you know, when my dino eggs hatch. That is sort of the limiting factor on the dinification of my safe farm. You could do Maru step together. Ooh, that is also an option. I feel like Maru likes diamonds, batteries, and strawberry, if I remember correctly. Also, Derek, hello. You've just extended the save file by like 2 years real time. Wait, why? For the 100 dinosaurs? No, not really. Maybe. I'm gonna guess. I'll check after the stream, Elvis. Oh yeah, because you can't buy them. Although the chickens honestly mostly I incubated. It's just getting enough of the eggs to have like them all incubating simultaneously. Ooh, and gold bars. Okay, cool. I could do gold bars. I really haven't planned any of this out. It's truly just like unhinged chaos. I'm making shit up as I go. Like, it is just all bonkers, boodles, canoodles. I don't know what I'm doing. Also, did I do a thing? Oh, nope. Didn't do that. I want to do that. Let me, Earth Dweller Derek. Let me get a shout out for my Derek. Ooh, playing Super Mario Sunshine. That's so fun. One of my stream pals, when I first started watching the streams, was playing Super Mario, and I did not know anything, and I was just watching and vibing. But not Toasty saying, the Discord rule saying, if you have any questions, don't reach out, don't ask us, just deal with it. Just deal with it. Just deal with it. Friends finding each other in my Twitch chat? More likely than you think. More likely than you think. Please don't reach out. We'll ignore you. You ignore us. We just no talking. Simply no talking allowed in this here Twitch stream. It's just sorry, no. Sorry, no. You know what I need to do? I need to upgrade. I need to grab an auto grabber for that one extra coop that I have. I also need to upgrade that coop. So let me go to Robin's today. I should have enough stuff. If not, I'll go check on it. I will go check on what I need, and I'll go upgrade that last coop so we can make room for our dinosaurs. Because I actually think we do not have a whole lot of room for dinosaurs, unfortunately. Exactly. If you're having any difficulties with anything, GGWP, GLHF, good luck, have fun. Just deal with it. How do you set up the clip command? It is through Mixitup bot. If you look up Mixitup clip, or if you go to Mama Tamago, she does a bunch of amazing tutorials on how to set up a bunch of Mixitup commands. I do also have a command set up that I just set up. Well, it's not a command, but it's you can also set it up. I found it on Twitter where you can set it up that your teammates, if they're in a stream team with you, will automatically get shouted out, which is also very useful. So yes. Head out and continue watching Kolak. I might pop in later, but I'll watch some Kolak. Yes, of course. Elvis, we'll see you again soon. Have a lovely time zone. Thank you so much for hanging out with us today. No dinos. No dinos. No dinos. Why aren't they hatching? Do I need to do a skull cave run? I might do it. Okay, I'm gonna upgrade the coop. I'm gonna get the auto grabber, and then I'm gonna maybe go do a skull cavern run and see if I can get some dinosaurs to deal with. Maybe I can get my dinosaur luck going and get some more dino eggs, sort of just speed that incubation process up. You know, the more the merrier. Did I save any more dino eggs that I haven't been used yet? Ooh, pardon me, that was a burp. If I've saved any extra dino eggs that I'm not using, I don't think I have though. Oh, you know what I should wait though? I should wait until Sunday because I've got 80 jade that'll turn into staircases, which will be very useful. Also, Yammy, what? Bestie, what? I'm also just gonna, too much mayo. Where does Pam go to blaze up? I'm scared to know. I'm scared to know the answer to this. Hamster. What if we didn't? What if we didn't? What if we simply did not? We didn't. Okay, 500 wood, 200 stone. I don't know if I have that. Oh my god, you went to lurk and now you're back. I don't want to promise anything. I don't want to promise anything. I said a maybe it might be a good idea to do the skull caverns, but I didn't say yes. Just a maybe, just a maybe, just a maybe. I don't want to get your hopes up. I don't want to ruin your. Well, there she is. There she is, everyone. Add another Pam horse to the community. Tame her. Okay, friends, if you have name suggestions for this Pam horse, with the dinosaurs, we're doing a channel point redeem, but if you don't have any channel points, and you would like to suggest a name for the Pam horse, we will do a poll to choose the Pam horse name. So throw your suggestions. Okay, stick with Grumbus, could be an option, but give me name suggestions. Throw them out there. We'll put them in a poll. We'll see how chat reacts. Pam Elope, Pambus. I think we already do have a horse. Ham and cheese. Hampter. What else have we got? Oh wait, no. Spirit's good. Spirit's good. Spirit's really good. I don't like that. Oh no. I'm new, so I don't know what would fit y'all's vibes. Creativia, as long as it's decently appropriate, you know, it's a 16+ channel, so keep it appropriate. But the point of you all naming everything is just so that, like, you know, we can have unhinged names. And so just do whatever you want. Also, poll for the Pam horse name is up at the top of chat. Make your voice heard. Choose whichever your favorite name is. I truly cannot believe how many Pam horses we have. It's terrifying. It's terrifying. It's really terrifying. I think this is like, I honestly have lost track because we have so many Pam horses. I think this is like number 10 maybe? I think it's number 10. I'm not really sure. I'm not 100% sure, but it's a lot. Another, yeah, Princess of the Pen. I was about to just mind my business. And another one. I don't know what to tell you. How do you have more than one? So Creativity, one of the mods that I have is called Adopt and Skin, and there's a function in that lets you adopt multiple horses and cats and dogs in the game. So you will find wild horses running around. Okay, I guess we're going with Grumbus. It seems like it was a tight race though. Ooh, very, very tight race. Very, very tight race. But Grumbus did prevail. So we'll go with Grumbus. But yes, the mod that I have, it's called Adopt and Skin, and it lets you change how all of your animals look. So that's why I have like so many different chickens. They all look different. And my dinosaurs will all, I believe, look different. And then it also, yeah, it adds that. So right now I have a cat and a dog on my farm, and then also all the Pam horses. So it's pretty cool. You can also make it, you know, not cursed. You can make it so that you have just a bunch of regular horses and not Pam horses. You can, if you so choose, you can have it be reasonable. You can have it be reasonable. Shop. How many of us do I need?
When they say like, you know, hi,
gay. Kids, welcome in, welcome in. Fred, it's good to see you. Happy. Why did I almost say Happy Easter? Why did I almost say Happy Easter? Tell me why that. Why? Why Happy Easter? Why is that where my brain went? What's wrong with me? Brain is truly riddled and rattled with Pam horse. It's just, it's a lot to deal with. It's a lot to deal with, but we're vibing still. Happy Easter to you too. I was still thinking of I mean, I'm Jewish, so I don't really celebrate Easter.
Hi, gay. Happy Pride Month. We are sashaying away with deals.
Kajas, thank you so much for the Prime sub. I appreciate that so very much, friend. Thank you for your generosity. It is much appreciated. And yeah, thank you. No, I know why someone had oh, maybe? I don't know. But happy Easter. Happy Easter. Happy Easter? Oh my God, Ladybug, good luck. I do celebrate Passover, but that's not very Eastery. Coco, I forget Easter was a religious holiday and not about the bunny. That is fair. That is fair. Yes, go set the ladybug free. That is a very reasonable thing to do. Oh wait. Don't we need that cutscene for the thing to happen? We got to go to Willie's because I don't think we've had that cutscene that he does where the bug meet happens. I don't think I've gone to Willie's since we finished that quest for him, and I think it does a thing. Also, hi Shrek. Hola. Hi, sir. Tengo mucho frío. Ahora no quiero hablar. Hablar means speak. Hablar means speak. You know that? When I was little, I slept on the couch to catch the Easter bunny, and while I was asleep, my dad just rubbed the cat against my face, so I felt something soft. That's so cute. And hello, Creativia's cat, Meow Meow, welcome in. He is very cold right now. He doesn't want to, oh, okay, that's fine. Hey, you know, he's hard to get. He's playing hard to get. Lasagna Max, maybe Gay Pride is a little bit like Easter? Maybe, right? That is so cute. That's so sweet. That is such a sweet dad thing to do. I'm scared. I hate this thing. It's so cursed. I don't like it. Geister. Geister? Geezer. Geyser. Easter. I was thinking of you. Why? Is that what you think of me? Bucky you found is perfect. When I said fresh, I didn't expect it to still be wick. But I'm not complaining. The fish love it. It really does kind of serve the eyeshadow look. Oh, we love Pam in this household. Geese, oh, like geese, goose, Easter gay, Easter geester. Yes. My old pappy taught me this on a fishing trip many years ago. What did he teach me? Oh, quality bopper. Okay, slay. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Love to be rich. Dramatic.
This is definitely fruity.
Big Smooch, thank you for the host, friend. I appreciate those hosts so very much. For each and every one of you who's hosting. It means a lot, and I appreciate it. And very slay of you. Very, very slay. I wanted to do something else, but I don't remember what it was. Oh, shoot Magoot. What I wanted to do was move my coops around, but now I did construction on my coop and I can't move them. Did I get the wizard's quest yet? When do you get the wizard to be able to move things? When do you do that? Because I know that there's a thing where the wizard lets you, like, you know...
This is definitely fruity.
Disney Soros, Rex, appreciate. Thank you so much for the host. Big Smooch. I didn't do the CC though. I did the Joja route. Do I still get it? I haven't watched Drag Race Italy. I've heard Drag Race Italy is really good, but I haven't watched it. I need to watch it. I feel like I need to watch it. The Ink Quest thing. I think I did the Ink Quest, no? Joanna just got your Smooch so I can sleep. Everyone have a good stream. Thank you for dropping by, friend. Have a good sleep. We'll see you again soon. I will see you Thursday, hopefully, and sleep well. Yes. I'll be back for Skull Cavern. I will. Oh, right. I was going to go to the Skull Cavern. You have all the JoJo upgrades, then you do the ink thing. I think I did. I brought the, I didn't, oh, the book just doesn't appear. I was like, there's no book there because it's modded and it's broken. That's why. That's why. Because it's modded and my mods broke the game. That's why. I was like, this should be working better than it is. Yep, it should be. It sure should be, bestie, but... Are you giving it a hard time in game for... No, not really, it doesn't. It seems to be that, you know, no one gives a shit. No one really gives two poops about you doing the JoJo route, which is kind of... I'm also gonna need to like condense my coops because there's just gonna be so many of them that I just need to be more economical with how I lay my space out, because I'm just gonna need to like really do that. But also, Cinder, hello. How many coops will I need? Well, I needed I think 8 for my chickens, so we'll need 8 for my dinosaur, so I'll need a total of 18? No, 16. That's math. Wait, no. Maybe I needed 9, so I need 18. Why am I doing math? Who let me do math? Who allowed me to start doing math in this here gay stream? I don't think so. I simply don't think so. Math? In my minds? No way, no how. Badger, welcome back. Also, quick heads up and a warning. If you are not subscribed, an ad break should be coming up momentarily. So just giving you a little heads up so you do not get surprised by it. it will just be popping up shortly. I would really appreciate if you stick through and watch the ad. It helps get me a little extra coin. But just giving you a heads up, you know, I know it can be jarring to be in the middle of stream and then you like miss something. You're like, well, but the ad happened and I wasn't ready for it. So I try my best to give at least a bit of a heads up. Mathphobia, exactly. Mathophobia for Pride Month. Very, very on brand. Okay, don't need to sell these sticks and stones. Need to keep these bombs. I can sell you. Save that for later. I like how you have a caravan. Wait. Oh yeah. Because the Pam mod changes it that you have a caravan instead. Also, Sage is addicted. I mean, hey, you know the power of Stardew though. You had to know what you're getting into. You know the power of Stardew. Can't crack that open, unfortunately. If you if you can't count it on your fingers, the number to. That's so true though. No, that's actually factually factual. That's how it works. If I can't count it on my fingers, no, it's not real. It's not real. Did I leave anything by the mines? I'm trying to remember what I've done on this save file. Head empty all the way.
Gay rights! Gay rights!
Disneysaurus Rex, I hope you've been enjoying hanging out with us, friend, and thank you so much for the follow. I really, really do appreciate that so very much, friend. Do we have Trailer? You're British? Yeah, no, it would be Trailer, I think. Oh, Trailer, yeah. Caravan Trailer, same thing, I get it. Also, for future reference, Sage uses he, they. Thank you for letting us know, friend. Wait, add it to all the other imaginary numbers, but that's a math joke? I feel like I know that imaginary numbers exist, and that's the extent of me acknowledging imaginary numbers, is that, okay, I know that they exist. That's about as far as we're getting with imaginary numbers, though. That's about as far... More than that? All I can tell you is that imaginary numbers are a thing in the world. Question mark, eats my brain at math jokes. Me always. All numbers are imaginary if you try hard enough. If you wish upon a star, makes no difference who you are, then you'll find another star? I don't know the lyrics of that song. I unfortunately know... absolute F. I'm so sorry for your loss. I'm so sorry for your loss. Not Sage giving us a look. It's fine. Just don't. We're gay and we're bad at math. Don't judge too much. It's fine. It's fine. Exactly. Time is an illusion. Ooh. Time is also 15 minutes is a day in Stardew Valley. So like, what is real anymore? What even is reality in this world we live in? Who? Imaginary numbers are like root of -1. They are, oh. Well, that's not very nice. Don't call them a tool. Get it? But anyways, no, I get what you're saying though. Okay, imaginary numbers are numbers that technically don't exist, but you can use them in like a problem because science and math. He has to give up math. Honestly, I think it's fair. I think it's only fair. You know, there's true love, giving up math for someone. Honestly though, I mean, I would give up math in a heartbeat for free, not even for love, not even for, I would just give up. I would just straight up gay up, give up math. I would just go, math, we're done with her. I don't know where I'm gonna put this, so I'm just gonna put you right here. There you go, bestie. Have fun hanging out there. Okay, I like how my coops are looking now. This is gonna bug me though. You're gonna go here, and then you're gonna go here, and I gotta refill these because I just ruined them. I would pay to give it, honestly same. I will say though, I don't do a whole lot of math in my life. And when I was in school and it was like I couldn't do math, and the teachers didn't like shame me necessarily, but like I maybe, you know, didn't get praised for being bad at math and hating math, but you know, I don't know what I was saying. I literally said it, you know, 7 times. And that's all I said. That empty, huh?
When they say like, you know, hi gay.
Welcome back, Godric. Don't you have to count all the details of work? It's fine, don't worry about it. Counting money is different. Also, Moonlin, I play Stardew. How do you find new things to enjoy in base game? Oh, you play Stardew on Switch. Okay. I mean, honestly, if you haven't gotten to 100% perfection, I highly recommend, you know, setting your sights on that. And then if you've already gotten 100% perfection, I would say, you know, giving yourself fun little challenges, trying the Joja route, trying, you know, save files where you marry a bunch of people, giving yourself, you know, fun little challenges, you know, for no other reason other than to have the challenge. I mean, you don't have to do, you know, 100 chicken challenge, but you could do, you know, a challenge to see if you can get 10 of every animal, or if you can get, you can do a successful farm with only 1 animal, or community center only in 1 year challenge, things like that. So yeah, like either set yourself at a long-term goal or do sort of quicker, small challenges. Like community center in a year is one that a lot of people do, where it's sort of like you got to plan it out, you got to hustle to do it. But definitely also don't be afraid. Don't be afraid to cheat a little bit and look up how to do some harder things when it comes to 100%. Try, like the golden walnuts, you're not gonna find them on your own. You're just not. So just don't worry about it. Also, Sage wants to romance Harvey. Now you have to fight. I mean, RL Harvey is right here. Also, Ravensaurus, hello, Dino Farm. We're gonna have chickens and dinos galore. Let's hope that a dino hatches today. Fortune teller. Will it be a good, I don't know if it'll be a good day to go into the mines today is the only problem. Okay, catch a lingcod, that's nice. I want to see if any of the dinos hatched. I thought we were bros. I mean, Pequeños Dos. I don't know why I said Pequeños Dos. Please have a dinosaur hatch. Come on, why are the dinosaurs taking so long to hatch? If the dinos only count as 1 animal and it's 4 for a regular coop, it'd be 25. Big coop holds 8, it's 1. Deluxe coop is 12, it's 8.3. And I think we already have 9 coops. So we're already at like some of our coops. Blue Chili Bean, hello. Welcome on in, friend. I'm excited for Dino Farm too. Honestly, okay, you know what I might do? Because tomorrow is Sunday. I might just put all of the mayo stuff together and then skip forward a day. I might just sleep early today. I'll take care of all of my chickens by making the mayo machines happen, but then I might fall asleep so I can go to the mines and hope that 1, it's better luck tomorrow, and then 2, it'll be Sunday, so I'll bring all of my jade to the mines and be able to do a skull cavern run. Also, Dancer for Life, hello. Big hug for you, friend. I'm sending you all the good vibes, all the love. I appreciate so very much. Liam, hello, and Blue Chili Bean, hello as well. Welcome. I played hundreds of hours of Stardew. I've never found a dino egg. It's your best bet, unfortunately, is Skull Cavern, but you can also find it from fishing and digging spots. So do not you worry, friend. Blue Chili Bean, did I give you a kiss for the host? If not, big smooch to you and Dancer for Life and Liev. Thank you for all those host friends. This is definitely fruity. I spy with my little eye something that is fruity, and it's all of you. I see how fruity you are. I perceive it, and I love it. Okay, chicken. The host sound is so good. I'm glad you like it. We had to change it up for Pride Month. Although I am kind of like, I don't know if I want to go back. I mean, as much as I love my musical theater alerts, I'm kind of like, I love how unapologetically very, very queer the rest of the sounds are. All the sounds are this month. And so I'm just kind of like, what if I did it? See, exactly, we do love that homosexuality of it all. Indeed, indeed, indeed. Very much gay rights, gay rights, gay rights. Every time the host sound starts on like
Thrice a day at least.
you're like, who's saying that? That makes sense. Oh shoot, we didn't get the auto. Okay, we're gonna get the auto grabber as well. And Smo, you got enough channel points. That's very exciting, friend.
Let's go, lesbians!
Let's go, lesbians. Lesbians.
Excuse me, lesbians coming through.
Watch out! Big Smooch, thank you for the host also. And Snowy, let me know what you would like your dinosaur to be named. I do apologize to all of you friends who are waiting for dinosaurs to hatch. They're deciding to be stubborn, and none of them want to hatch today, so they're embarrassing me in front of all of my friends and family. We have yet to have a dinosaur hatch today. I promise they're in the incubators. They should be hatching soon. I just don't know when. The straight sound, I think we decided, I mean, we didn't decide on one, but I thought we were gonna say that we're just gonna do crickets for straight. Or the office theme. That was also a good one. Or was it the shade sound? Like the Drag Race shade sound, maybe? I feel like we had some other ideas, but I don't remember what. Dinos take nearly 12 days. Well, I have the Coop Messer profession, but that means that dinosaurs are going to take 6 days to hatch. We're in it for the long haul, huh? Yeah, I last Starter when you're like, yeah, and you're going to add a bunch of IRL years to your game getting all these dinosaurs. I was like, how? How is it going to take that long? Now I know why. Now it all's coming together. It all makes sense. Is there a faster way to make my dinosaurs hatch at all? Any way to make them hatch faster? Bye, Sage. Thank you for hanging out with us. Everyone kick back, relax, and enjoy the show. We are use speed grow fertilizer on the incubator. Oh my god, so true. So true, so true, so true. We love a speed grow fertilizer moment on the incubator. That sounds like a really good plan. I love to see it, love to hear it, love to vibe with it. I think that's definitely a good idea. I don't know what I'm gonna do. That's so long. Next up, 100 ostrich challenge. Absolutely not. That's truly heinous. I feel like Dizzysaurus Rex, you are correct. I might just have to do a lot of sleeping, a lot of sleep skipping through the game. The best option, 80 big coops. I don't think that's feasible. I don't think that's reasonable, feasible, logical, possible. Can the fairies? Wait, does the fairies make it hatch automatically? Someone with science in their brain and love in their heart. Dinosaur's still not hatching. Okay, let's see what our luck is. Does the fairy dust work on the incubators? That would be really slay of him. We need a moment. Okay, let's take a moment. It doesn't only crops. Cool. Cool. Love that for me. Love that. Perfect. Okay, let's do a deep breath together. Okay, fairy dust. Do I have the recipe for fairy dust right now? Fairy dust is a diamond and a fairy rose. Okay, do I have Ginger Island right now. I'm getting distracted. But I might restart this day. I might use this as a scouting mission. You're getting a degree in Bigfoot? Slay, love that for you. I don't know if I have any diamonds. Well, then maybe I should put a diamond in my, ooh, okay, big brain. I'm thinking now, what if I put diamonds in my crystallarium? And so I can have diamonds, and I put fairy roses on Ginger Island so I can always have fairy roses. And then I'll use the instant thing. And then, would that work? Is that science? If the fairy rose thing works on it. Hey, Willie, give me, hello? Ready? Sir? 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 I mean, I don't know if I have any diamonds saved up. I might. Honestly, y'all really see how it is. I think of an idea to do on stream and I follow through with the planning about 0%. I just go, yeah, that'll be fun. And then I realize the reality of it and I go, oh. Oh, huh. Yeah, that would cause some problems, huh? That would cause some problems. So yeah. Why do we put pumpkins down? I don't remember. I really thought this challenge would be easier than the chickens. I really thought. I also don't have the Pierre's. Wait. I had fairy roses on my main farm? I don't think I had fairy roses. Main save. No, I had fairy roses on my Ginger Island farm in my main save. This is why I watch you MSC make mistakes so I don't have to make them on my own farm. That's also very true. Y'all can just sit here, laugh at me as my pain and suffering grows exponentially each day. We live in a society. We live in a society. Oh my God. Okay, speaking of we live in a society, did y'all see the news about the Joker 2 movie? I am obsessed. It's the most unhinged behavior. Lady Gaga is possibly starring alongside Joaquin Phoenix as people are assuming it's Harley Quinn. I don't know if it's Harley Quinn or another character, but allegedly, the sequel to Joker is gonna be a musical with Lady Gaga starring in it opposite Joaquin Phoenix. I saw someone say this, the absolute yassification of the Joker movie. And I'm so obsessed because you know there are going to be wild Gaga stans going to the movie theater, and then all of like the dude bros who actually want to see the Joker are gonna be like, oh no. Honestly, I think Gaga could be a good Harley, but I think it would be very much more a serve if she was Poison Ivy instead. If she was Poison Ivy instead of Harley, I think honestly I would personally prefer that. But yeah, I saw that and I was like, the fact that it's a musical and Gaga's in it is like, honestly, Gaga's a yassified Batman, not Batgirl, a yassified Batman. Me dragging men on a date so I can see Gaga while they watch the rest of it. Please. I also feel like it might get like, it's not gonna get the full Morbius treatment, but I feel like if Gaga does get cast in it, I feel like it has the potentiality. It has the potentiality of reaching Morbius level vibes if it's Joker the musical. Like I feel like that could be iconic and incredible and also awful at the same time. Oh no, I never watched the original either. I will skip the first one and just watch the second one. I will skip the first one and absolutely just watch the second one because I'm only in it for Gaga. Although I will say, don't judge me. I still haven't seen A Star Is Born, and I still haven't seen House of Gucci. But I did in theaters see Gaga guesting in Machete Kills. Hoping for a Morbius, please. Gaga x Morbius collab when? When is Gaga pairing up with, I never saw A Star Is Born. Tell me something more. Fill that void. I want Thin Ice. I know. I'm sorry. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't look at me. Don't judge me and don't look at me. It's fine. It's fine. It's fine. Jared Leto, but I love how unhinged. I love how
You need to leave.
Well, I mean, I will say, like, I've got to go make dinner. So I actually was planning on wrapping up the stream a little bit earlier than usual today. Jared Leto's Harley Quinn slay. Very, very slay. Love that. Love that. Love that. I'm sorry. I know it's a day late. And what is it early? You running away after dropping this bomb? Coward, I know. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. But you know what? That's the way the world works. I've got a friend coming over for dinner. I have to prepare the meal. So I will say farewell as I set the raid up. Please give Quinvincible all of my love. Here is the raid command. Copy and paste it. Whichever message you're able to use, please copy and paste that. If you would like to, cursed raid. Wait, no, never mind. Do cursed raid because it's cursed day. Copy and paste cursed stuff. Don't forget to follow if you're watching, you haven't followed yet. You would like to follow the stream. You'd like to catch me next time. Thursday, I'm going to be completing my 100% perfection save file. We're going to be finishing Stardew Valley for the first time ever. And then on Saturday, we're doing our first ever drag makeup stream. We've got a lot of stuff coming up. You can find me on socials. There's my Twitter, my YouTube, TikTok. All that stuff is linked there. And if you would like to hang out with us outside of stream, I think Margotron will probably be booting up the Discord farm, which is a big multiplayer farm that one of our community members runs on Discord. And yeah, I love you all so very much. I had so much fun today. Thank you all for hanging out with me. I had the best time. I do have Pam Horse emotes, I do indeed. Have a lovely time zone. Don't forget, if you missed any of the streams, check the VOD channel out. And thank you for hanging out with me. And I had so much fun. And happy Pride Month. And gay.
Let's go, lesbians! Let's go,
You're just gonna
lesbians!
harass me till I leave, huh?
Excuse me, lesbians coming through!
Bye, guys.
Watch out!
Bye, folks. Right, Star Harry, we'll see you on Thursday for 100% perfection. Okay, bye, friend. Love you all. Bye.